Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Jolly Times extra butter popcorn made with real butter. And I got this at Walmart for, I can't remember how much it is, a 3-pack. So let's go and try it out. I don't think I've had Jolly Time before. I could be mistaken. I don't think I have. And here's what the bag looks like. It has an old-fashioned looking thing saying Jolly Time, oh yum. So let's try to see if there's any good. Shake up a little bit. And you heard it, you could hear it sizzle. I mean, not burn. I mean, but when it's getting ready to pop, this must be. I hope this is good. Let's try it out. It popped pretty good too. Good. It had really good flavor to it. You definitely smell the butter and taste it some too in the popcorn. Mm. Yeah, I give pretty good. I give the Jolly Time extra butter microwave popcorn a 9 out of 10. It's really good. And it says right here, might seem obvious. Remove outer wrapper before popping. Not so. Well, I was in the army in Germany, and it was a 581st Signal Center. We were at training, and this one guy made popcorn. I said, "Boy, why isn't that popcorn popping right?" He forgot to take the wrapper off. It looked like a big, like big melted plastic with a big, like ball of. It was hilarious. I couldn't believe he did that. But I mean, I guess it happens sometimes. So I hope you all like this video. I mentioned that in another video too for Army Days. Hope you like this video. And until next time, bye please. Take care of my Legion.